Can a person who is HIV positive marry a person who is not HIV positive? Both parties are aware of it and are willing to continue with the marriage.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salam ala abdillahi wa rasulih Nabiyyina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'een amma ba'd. It's very important with conditions that could have an effect upon the rights of husband and wife or that have serious consequences to them. Those need to be made absolutely clear prior to marriage. But if both parties know about it and are willing to marry each other, knowing about it, then there is nothing in Islam that prevents that, but it must be declared clearly before the marriage takes place, and there must be contentment from both parties to go ahead with the marriage, fully understanding the consequences of that and any specific behaviors that would be required for them and any specific requirements that would be made, and Allah Azza wa Jalla knows best.